Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Bellagio Fountain Show is one of the most recognized visual performances of Las Vegas. Introduced when the Bellagio opened in 1998, the fountains were designed as a centerpiece attraction using water, lights, and choreography. The lake spans more than 8 acres, and beneath its surface sits a network of over 1,000 individual jets, each capable of producing its own movement pattern. These range from gentle arcs to tall vertical bursts that form the signature moments of every performance. The fountains were created by Wet Design, the same company responsible for well-known water installations around the world. Their system at the Bellagio uses a combination of high-pressure shooters and programmable nozzles, allowing the designers to shape each show with precision. The tallest jets can reach heights well above the surrounding buildings, becoming a distinctive element of the Strip skyline. What makes the Bellagio fountain stand out is the variety of music used. The shows have included everything from classical compositions to contemporary songs, with each track matched to its own choreography. The fountains follow musical cues with shifts in symmetry, timing, and motion. Some shows emphasize sweeping horizontal patterns, while others use isolated towers of water that rise and fall in sharp, rhythmic sequences. The lighting system turns the lake into a kind of outdoor stage. Lights built into the lake bed illuminate the water from below, creating contrast between the arcs, fans, and vertical jets. Different shows use different colors and patterns, making the same water installation feel completely different depending on the music. The fountain shows helped redefine the Las Vegas Strip by offering an attraction that wasn't tied to gaming or indoor entertainment. It established the idea that a resort could draw visitors through a large-scale open-air production. The Bellagio Lake quickly became a landmark in its own right, used in films, television, and countless media references. Because the shows run at regular intervals, the fountains have become a familiar rhythm of the Strip, always repeating, yet never exactly the same. Some of the most famous sequence features music such as Time to Say Goodbye, Viva Las Vegas, and classical pieces by composers like Tchaikovsky. The choreographers regularly update the playlist and occasionally introduce new shows, keeping the performance fresh for returning visitors. Over the years, the fountains have appeared in numerous movies, including key scenes in Ocean's 11, where the water show plays a symbolic role at the end of the film. The lake and its performances have also been used in music videos, commercials, and televised events, solidifying their place as a cultural icon behind Las Vegas itself. The Bellagio Fountain Show remains one of the largest and most technically sophisticated water performances ever created. Its scale, precision, and constant reinvention continues to make it one of the defining features of the Las Vegas Strip, a visual showcase that draws attention every time the music begins and the water lifts in choreographed motion.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.